Hello and welcome to Stack UAI. This is Next.js beginner tutorial part 4. In this video, I have made some adjustment behind the camera, like I have added a backup image if the image is not being loaded. Right now, I have some images from unsplash.com which is not being loaded as expected, and I also added an author block which is I'm showing like this. And for somehow, because some images are coming from uh, local host as well, so for that I have to check if the it into HTTPS, so it will return log.image. Otherwise, it will have the image URL plus log.image. So these are few adjustments that I have made, and right now this is how it is looking. Also working in dark mode as well. So today in this video we will be covering how to do pagination in a server component in Next.js. So without wasting any further time, let's start.
Okay, let's start pagination server component. Uh, for that, we need a search patterns. So in next 15 search pattern come from props. Let's make them and search pattern. It's a promise page and it's a string. I've defined const one page or let's do get parents first. Then we'll do await props dot search pattern const page is equal to parent.page. If parent.page exists, then parse it into parent.page, otherwise one. Okay. Okay, now this current page we have to pass this in a function to send the parent. Um, so to pass a front page here, we need to make a change here. It will accept a page one and that will be a number. So to make an AP call here and do something like this page and this is passed now and I save it. Now let's create a function for pagination. Generate page numbers. This function can have a const pages and empty array const max visible pages. Let's set to 5 const total pages are equal to blocks dot total pages. So let's set if total pages fr equal to max visible pages, then we have to loop it something like this, that I is equal to 1, I is less than or equal to total pages, and I here, and I say total pages and I plus. Then what we have to do, we have to push pages dot push the I. So the page will be pushed else we have to show the first page dot push one. That's for this condition. Let's make more calculation on pages. Let start is equal to math dot max to run page minus one. This will be our start. Let end equal math dot min total pages minus one run page plus one. So this will be our start and end of the pagination. Let's we say here if front page is equal to 3, then start will be 2 and end equal 4. If front page greater than equal to total pages minus 2, then what we will do, we will do start equal total pages minus 3 and end equal total pages minus 1. These are the actually adjustment for the buttons. What we are showing in the buttons, how many pages we want to show. If start is greater than 2, then pages dot push will be, let's just start. For outside middle pages, so let I is equal to start, I is second equal to end, I plus pages dot push, that will be, let's see if I get the spelling correct. Let's say and these are the further pagination component we will be using. If total pages greater than 1, then what we will do, pages dot push total pages. And in the end, we have to return pages. This is our create function. So what we will have to do to create a pagination section, we have to create a fragment because we need a section below this. Uh, let's begin. Blog dot total pages greater than 1, then we need to enter some div. Last time with full flags justify center margin top air padding bottom done. Okay, under this we will be using a pagination component from person. So I have already installed it. Let's import its component again we will be using. So to install we need to run the following command npx person pagination and press Y to proceed and it will install everything we will be using in this component. So as it is installed, let's use it here. Pagination. Inside pagination we have pagination content. In content we will say account page is greater than 1 and then what to render. Let's render pagin let's render pagination item an item. Let's render pagination previous. That will be let me get the mouse will be question mark page equal dollar crown page minus 1 and we have to close it. Okay, inside pin content we need to use our function linear page numbers, call it here, then map page and index. Okay. If page is equal to an ellipsis start or page equal ellipsis and then we need to return pagination item pagination item key will be ellipsis slash index and its inside we have pagination ellipsis like that. Okay, let's do one more thing. Post page number, page number, and we have to do this inside generate, and here we have to return pagination item key will be page number, pagination link. Okay, href will be question mark page equal page number, and is active. For is active, if we say client page is equal to page number, and let's say page on here, and let's make a next button now. To create a next button, we have to do client page open blog dot total pages, and then what to render pagination item and link and pagination next. href will be client page equal dollar client page plus one, and let's close it, and that's it. Okay, this is done. Let's see if our code is working. Let's refresh the page. Yes, we are on page number one, and we have one, two, three, four, five numbers. Let's go to page two. Let's go to page three, and yes, we are working. When we went to page number four, we can see page five, and let's see if our next button is working as well. Page six, previous page, and I have not, and it's working in dark and light mode as well. So yeah, this is pagination using server component. We have to make a function here because we were using a, a block code and other component which is taking a props. So if this block code was not there and we have something a complete code like this in this page, we would not have done this thing. Uh, a general page number function would not be needed. We would have done something and this complete logic inside this JSX. So yeah, this was part 4. I will see you next in part 5. Happy coding.